Welcome to Uncle Buck's Garage. Well, I was out here in the garage working on stuff, like the government kind of acting like they didn't want us to do. All right. And, I always say that don't want to get political on this channel, but this right to fix your own stuff just really rubbed me raw. Okay. So, but here's the deal. I just got a live feed just now over my phone that our sitting president, Donald Trump, just signed the right to fix your own stuff bill. He turned it in. He got word about people being arrested for fixing their own vehicles and their own farm equipment, John Deere. All right. So I knew something was up when they all the executives showed up and had a little meeting with Donald Trump and tried to get it where you couldn't work on your own car, where you couldn't work on your own stuff. Think about that. In this world that we live in today, that you can't pop your own hood on your old classic and turn wrenches on it, you could get in trouble. There's been people jailed that are getting pardons right now. So this is a good thing. This is a very good thing. When you get to feel like everything's against you and the powers that be they want control after control after control, this is a good thing. He just signed it. It's a great day. It's a very, very good day for all of us that are enthusiasts that enjoy all our old cars and trucks. It's just, I couldn't be happier. Like I said, it's just only been an hour since he signed it. I'm going to get this up as fast as I can so you guys can do. All right. We are going to continue old school how-to every day, all day. No AI, just fixing old cars the way we want to fix them. All right. I appreciate all you guys that have watched all my videos over the years. And this is a good day. This is a very, very, very good day. And I got all the parts I need to put another one together. And that's what we're going to be doing from this point on, since it's now a law or an executive order. I don't care. It'll finally get in the law. It'll be like they know not to mess with it. I hope you guys have a great day, because I'm having a good day. I'm having a very, very good day. Y'all be good.